Hello, Adeyemi Oluwaseun is here. I quickly want to show you how you can deposit how you can buy your Rega coin after you have already have your money, your money, your Bitcoin wallet, your fund inside your Bitcoin wallet. You need to convert it to Rega coin before you can able to deposit to your own Rega coin backend office. Okay, so now what you need to do is this. After you have your money fund inside your Bitcoin wallet, you have your money already inside your Bitcoin wallet, so you need to go to this website, coinexchange.io. That is where they trade coin exchange. Okay, I mean Rega coin rather. So you go to coinexchange.io. So this is the website. So you need to register. Once you get there, you need to do your registration. The registration is very simple. It's very simple, just like the way you did your Rega coin stuff. Okay, very simple thing to do your registration. So you put your email address, you put the username you want to be using, you put password, then they confirm the password, then click on registration. They will ask you to go to your email to confirm. They ask you to go to your email to confirm the link they sent to you, so your account will be activated. So now let me just make use of this account, of course, because I have done the registration there before. All right, so let me use this my own account. So after you have done the registration, you log in to Coin Exchange. Make sure that your money is already in your this thing, Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so Google Authenticator. I decided to be using this one. If you like, you might be using it. If you like, you can. You might not. It's not even too necessary because I don't leave money inside this one. But if in case you want to be leaving money inside it, you can use this one so that nobody will be able to access your coin exchange accounts. Okay. All right, now, so once you are already in your coin exchange accounts, so the next thing you need to do is to go to you see accounts in your right side here. So you click on deposit, balance. Once you click on accounts, you click on balance. Okay, so it will show you all those altcoin, including the Bitcoin balances that you have. You can see that I don't leave money here, so I don't leave money. There is no point for me to be leaving money here. All right, so now you see the Bitcoin there is the number one. So what you need to do is just to trace down to action. This is your Bitcoin. Okay, this is your Bitcoin. So you need to go to action. You can see deposit Bitcoin. So you click on deposit Bitcoin. So once you click on deposit Bitcoin, so they will ask you, you can see I don't have any money inside this one. So what you need, they will now ask you to generate new address. So generate the new address. Once you generate the new address, so copy the address and go to your wallet, blockchain wallets. You generate your own. You are not using this one. All right, this is my own. You are going to generate your own. Once you click on generate, so they give you your own wallet address. So once you copy that your wallet address, so you now log into your blockchain account. Then you now transfer the amount that you want to invest to this to the address that they are going to coin exchange is going to give you. I think you understand, right? That what I just explained to you. So once you deposit, once you transfer that money to this Rega coin wallet account, then some minutes, it depends on the blockchain that you are using. For those that are using a Spectral coin, it's an instant transaction. But blockchain, I think it will take some less than 24 hours anyway. So they will do, once they confirm, then you will have your balance here. So if you come back to the balance after they have already go do the confirmation, you will see the balance amount that you sent. You see the balance here. All right, you see the balance here. You see the balance here. Immediately you send that money, you will see the pending deposits here, but you won't be able to use it. But immediately it is available, they confirm it, you see the balance here. So once you see the balance, so the next thing you need to do, okay, the next thing you need to do, let me use one of my brother's account. Okay, so Rega coin accounts. So this is account. So what you need to do here is to go to your log into your Rega coin account. Okay, log into your Rega Coin account. Once you log into your Rega Coin account, you go to wallets. Under your Rega Coin account, you can see this guy started with 210. This is the guy that I was telling you as withdrew like 200 before. He withdrew $200 before. You can see this another any as well here. I talked about this guy this one day. So what now? You need to, once you log in, you click on wallets. So you click on wallets. So once you click on wallet, though it won't open like this, but I asked the guy to help me. So if it won't open like this, you click on wallet, they will ask you to go back to your email that you used to register this Rega Coin. They are going to send one code to that email, so that they are doing this so that anybody will be able to access your Rega Coin account to hack you or whatever. So they will send that code to you. But this guy has already used this account this morning. Yeah, it's already sent me this code. I have logged into it first this morning. Okay, like tomorrow now, if I want to log into it, they ask me for that code again, or maybe in the next day somehow. I think it has hours that that code expires before they will not ask for it again. Okay, so you won't see your own like this. They will ask you to go back to your email address. They will send you a code. Once they send you that code, okay, let me just look for that code. Yeah, I just screenshot the code. The guy asked me not to display his name and the account anyway, so I just screenshot it. So they will ask you to go back to your email address. So they will send you something like this. You have token, so they will generate token for you to confirm that it's you that you want to log into your wallet. So because this is where people can transfer your Rega Coin fund. They can transfer it from here. So that's why they generate that code for the owner of the account. So nobody can people can log into your, let's say anybody log into your distance, but they won't able, except if they have access to your email address. If they don't have access to the email address that you use to register your Rega Coin account, they won't have access to enter your wallets. Nobody will have access to enter your wallet. So you can see they have a Bitcoin whatever, but the reason why you cannot deposit Bitcoin directly here is because the internal conversion of Rega Coin is not yet ready. So it's not ready yet. That's why. So you cannot convert Bitcoin here to Rega Coin, but they are still working on it, as they said. Okay, now this is your Rega Coin. So once you log in to your deposit, you go to your deposit screen in your Rega Coin, then you will see deposit Rega Coin. Okay, so what you need to do here is to copy this ID, your Rega Coin. Once you click on deposit Rega Coin, then you see your wallet. So copy the wallet out. You already have your Bitcoin ready here. Okay, though you are not using it yet. Immediately you have your Bitcoin here. Okay, immediately you have your Bitcoin, but you can just copy this one and save it somewhere. Okay, you can just copy your Rega Coin wallet and save it somewhere, but you need to convert your Bitcoin to Rega Coin here first. So immediately you have your Rega Coin here. You've already transferred from your main blockchain to this coin exchange Bitcoin wallet. Okay, so you have your balance here already. Now the next thing you need to do is just to go to market. You need to go to market. So once you get to the market, you will see Rega Coin Bitcoin /Bitcoin. When you see Rega Coin opposite it, Rega Coin /Bitcoin. So click on it. So once you click on it, you need to scroll down. You can find good, awesome. All right. So you can see buy Rega coin, you can see sell Rega coin. If you want to withdraw your Rega coin, to cash, that is when you are going to sell. But now we want to deposit Rega coin here, our coin to this Rega coin account. So what you need to do is just to come to buy Rega coin. You want to exchange your Bitcoin to Rega coin here. I think you understand it. But if you want to exchange Rega coin to Bitcoin, that is when you are going to use sell. So now we want to buy the Rega coin here. Now we are going to look at the price. Buy order. This is the buy order. So you click on buy order. You can see that immediately I click on this buy order, that price appear here. It appear immediately here. There was no price there before, but immediately I click on that order, this order price, you can see that the price came out here. Now if you want to fund $100, which is the minimum you can fund in Rega coin, $100. So what you need to do is just to come to the Rega coin account. You will see what Rega coin is called to so amount of US dollar. Okay, so what you need to do now is to go and calculate, okay, that okay, I want to invest $100. So 100 divided by 48.48, that is the current price. Okay, that is, so it means you want to buy 2.07 of Rega coin. It means you want to buy, so you need to go back here. It means you want to buy 2.07 of Rega coin. So this is the net amount they are going to pay. They have their own fee as well. This is the total money of the Rega coin you want to buy. So their fee, so everything totally, the net net total that you are going to pay. So now let's calculate how much is this you are going to pay now. 7133. Remember that you want to buy $100 of Rega coin, right? So let's calculate how much it is here. So it means you are going to pay 102. So if you want to fund your account, make sure that you have fund like 110 or 105 or so. Okay, now if you want to fund 1000, so the same way you say 1000 divided by 48.48, so it's going to be 20 points. So you now type that you want to buy 20.7 or so, yeah, 20.6 of Rega coin. Okay, so let's look at the price. 0.08828478. Let's check how much you're gonna pay. So you're going to pay 1019. It depends on the price of Bitcoin then and the Rega coin, because you might log into your Rega coin, you might not see this price. It might go lesser, it might be lesser than this 48, it might be higher than this 48. It depends on the price. You know, this is a volatility stock, so it depends on the price then. Okay, it depends on the price then. So if it is any amount you see there, you just need to divide it by amount of dollar that you want to invest. Okay, so that's how this one works. So now after you have done all this, then you click on submit buy order. Submit buy order. At times it's an instant stuff. It's an instant stuff at times, but it can give you like 10 minutes. That is the highest, 10 minutes. So they will convert your Bitcoin to Rega coin. So once they convert your Bitcoin to Rega coin, you will now come back to the balances, from your account to balances. So once you are here, just need to scroll down to see your coin. Okay, you might not see it like that. What you need to do is just to click, you can just type it here, reg. You can see reg. Once you type reg here, because you said you should be looking for it, I don't know where it is, but once you type REC, reg, and click, you can click anywhere. So now you will see your Rega coin and you see the balance the balance that you are having there, because you have already converted your Rega coin to your Bitcoin to Rega coin. So now, I told you the other time to copy the address that you are getting here. All right. So what you need to do once your Rega coin is ready here is just to come to Rega coin, then withdraw. You now click on withdraw. Inside the action, it's withdraw. So you see the balance of Rega coin that you are having there. So the balance, all the balance that you are having there, so you can just type it. This is the amount fee. This is the fee that you're going to pay. So you can just deduct this one from the what you're having there, then enter the whole balance there. Okay, so then you now enter your this thing here, your reg withdrawal address. That is the address you copy here, because you want to send from here to your Rega coin here. So now you send it here, then you enter your password, then click on process withdraw. Then you are going to see the money immediately. It's an instant stop, so it's going to see your money here. Let me go back to this one, to dashboard. Okay, so you are going to see your money here. You are going to see your money on US dollar here. You are going to see your money on US dollar here. No, you can never have any Rega coin yet. So you are going to see your money in US dollar. So once you have your money there, you are going to have your money in Rega. Now, the next thing you need to do is to click on lending. But make sure that you have minimum of $100 when you are transferring. So this is lending. You can see minimum of $100. So $100. No, I told you that you should buy 0.0 to then. So you can see this is what the price has gone higher. That's grown higher here. Can you see? So this is it. So this is it. So you click on pay from Rega coin wallet. So the money you are having in your Rega coin wallet, so it will now go. So every day you'll be getting your percentage. Okay, you'll be getting your percentage every day. Every day you'll be getting your percentage. So now this is how I actually do my own account. After I have done the investments, I don't withdraw the money. So once I have my, anytime they pay, you will see once the money I have in there before, once you transfer your Rega coin from here, so you see your balance here, then you go to lend, you lend it. Once you lend it, you won't see anything here again. You'll be now seeing it here, total lending. That is the total lending that you invest. Okay, so once you see that, then you see amount that you'll be earning will now be coming here every day. This guy is earning about minimum of $3 every day, because if you invested $210, so he's earning minimum of $3 every day. Yes. So any money every day they are paying is money here. So once your money is here, you can now transfer it to this money. Once it's reached $10, once you have like $10 on this USD dollar whatever, so you can now convert it to Rega coin, so that anytime Rega coin is increasing in value, this one will be increasing. If it is here, it will increase, but once you convert it from here to this place, it will now start increasing in value. So if this one goes to 300 today, now this money you are seeing here will more than $300, because this person have 1.6. Okay, so now, so if you want to convert it, what you need to do, once you have like minimum of $10 here, you can only convert minimum of $10. Okay, so You cannot convert $11, you cannot convert $12. It's minimum of $10 or 20 or 30. Okay, so now you click on convert. Once you click on convert, so you can enter your 10, or if it is 100, the minimum of the multiple of 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That's what they mean. 60, 70. You cannot transfer, convert 11, you cannot convert 12, you cannot convert 10.5. So if it's 100 that you want to convert, that is 2 regular coin, then you click on convert, so it will convert to regular coin. So that's how this thing actually works. And if you want to be withdrawing your money every day, no problem. What you need to do is just to convert this money to regular coin. Once you convert it to regular coin, then go to your wallet. Once you go to your wallet, that is if you want to be withdrawing, or anytime you want to withdraw. That's why I'm trying to do this. Convert your any to regular coin. So once you convert your any to regular coin, then scroll down. You want to send regular coin, so you can only send your regular coin to this coin exchange. So go to coin exchange. Once you get to coin exchange, click on my balances. Click on my balance, okay, my account, then balances. That is if you want to withdraw. I'm talking about withdrawing now. Okay, and go to, you type rec, so once you type rec, you can see rec. You can now copy deposits. That is if you want to withdraw your fund from regular coin account, main regular coin account, you click on fund deposit. So they give you a URL, address. So you copy this address. You know, the other time when you want to transfer from here, you copy the address from wallet here, but this time around you want to withdraw your money to regular to convert it to Bitcoin, then to cash or whatever. Okay, now so this is where you're going to copy the address, then you put your address here, then amount you want to withdraw, you put it here, then your regular coin password, you put it here, then you click on withdraw regular from regular account, rec account. So once you say you withdraw from rec account, you have your balance here. So now to convert it to Bitcoin, the same thing we did the other time. So if you want to convert your regular coin to Bitcoin, so you just need to go to markets. This thing is very simple. You just need to go to markets, then you see rec. This is regular coin rec versus BTC/BTC. So once you are there, then you need to scroll down, then you want to sell your regular coin to Bitcoin. So the same thing you do, sell price, click on sell price. You can see sell price that's already there. So amount of regular coin you are having there, then you now type it, okay, that okay, you want to sell 20 coin of regular coin, you want to sell 2 coin of regular coin, then click on submit. Once you click on submit, they will convert your regular coin to Bitcoin. So now you want to withdraw your Bitcoin out from here, or you want to sell it directly, or you want to forward it to your blockchain. What you need to do is to go to balances. So once you get to the balances, you click on action here under Bitcoin. You see on Bitcoin, click on balances. Okay, still loading. You click on balances, then withdraw BTC. So your wallet address, Bitcoin blockchain wallet address, you copy it here, you paste it here. Amount that you want to withdraw, you put it here. This is their fee. So everything you're gonna pay. So they even dictate their own money. You can just type everything there. So they deduct their own money from the amount you want to withdraw. So you pay you the balance, then they Coin Exchange bank account, then you click on process withdraw, then you have your money. That is how everything works. So thank you very much. Thanks for believing in me. So I remain Adeyemi Oluwaseun. Thank you. Bye. Then for those of you that are thinking about this Rega coin, you can see Rega coin is not just an investment program. It's not just an investment program like IYFP. It's a coin on its own. So you can see that they are trading here. Then if you go to coin market cap, you will see Rega coin there. It's already in public exchange. People are trading it already. Okay, you can see this is where all the genuine coin are listed. If you do not see, they are talking about one coin that's like TBC. You can never see TBC here because it's not genuine. You can never see TBC here. Those coins that they are not genuine, they won't be here. And if you type Rega coin, Rega, can you see? Rega coin is here. Rega coin is here. You can see this is the price. Where is the how much is the price here? Okay, you can see. This is the price of Rega coin right now. So it also updates itself. Okay. So this is the Rega coin. So this is it. This is it. You can see those are their trading Rega coin. These are the sites that trades Rega coin, where you can trade your Rega coin to Bitcoin, Bitcoin to Rega coin. I saw this the other time. Okay, stop. Can you see that we use the coin exchange the other time? Okay, you can trade in UBIT, BPR BAT. So that's it, guys. So I wish you best of luck. Thank you very much. Bye.